English. Steer, steer. Number 2, Shona, Shona. In English, squeeze, squeeze. Number 3, paradzira, paradzira. In English, spread, spread. Number 4, rodza, rodza. In English, sharpen, sharpen. Number 5, wara, wara. In English, rot, rot. Or go bed, go bed. Number 6, para, para. In English, scrap, scrap.